Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. Let's launch a TikTok app. Let's take for example this profile over here, right? You want to click on the profile itself. You can head to the top right corner and you want to click the share button as well, okay? And see you have three different menus over here. You can click on the last menu and there is two options. You can either report the account and essentially you can provide the feedback and tell you what you really want to report it, and if really there is something issue with it, the account will not be recommended to you anymore. The second option, of course, is to directly take the things in your own hands. Click block, right? And this is what is going to happen. They will not be able to send you any messages. They will not be able to post more in front of you. You're not going to see their posts, right? Or they're not going to be able to find your profile. But this is not perfect solution, simply because according to TikTok, this doesn't include scenarios in which there is a multi-host live streams, duets posted by others, or group chats you both participated in. They will not be notified that you block them. Let me explain this. So first of all, let's say you both are on TikTok, and let's say this person that you block is having a live stream with someone else. If the other account that was not blocked is running the live stream but is having a duet with the account that you block, you're still gonna see them, okay? Second option will be, of course, if you're in a group chat, right, and the host of the group chat includes you and includes them, you're both gonna see each other, right? This is again a downside of TikTok limitations. So this is why I presume that if you go about reporting the account, if there is a reason for it, again, don't make up the reason. If there is a reason for reporting the account, TikTok might actually go even further and limit the whole possible interaction on the platform. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.